Many people experience bloating, pain, or digestive discomfort, often caused by hidden problems inside the intestines, a system working constantly behind the scenes.
The intestines absorb nutrients, support your immune system, and host trillions of helpful bacteria, making them essential for energy, protection, and overall health.
Located in the abdomen, the intestines stretch over 20 feet, with the small intestine tightly coiled and the large intestine forming an outer frame.
The intestines are divided into sections, each with a specific role in digestion, absorption, and preparing waste for removal from the body.
Inside, millions of tiny finger-like villi increase surface area, allowing nutrients to be absorbed efficiently into the bloodstream with incredible precision. The intestines break down food further and absorb nutrients, transforming what you eat into energy that fuels every cell in your body. Rhythmic contractions called peristalsis push food forward, ensuring digestion continues smoothly through the intestines without conscious effort. Specialized cells line the intestines, each performing unique roles like absorbing nutrients, producing mucus, and releasing enzymes to support digestion. These cells work together in functional units, coordinating digestion and ensuring nutrients are processed and absorbed efficiently at every stage. The intestines release hormones that regulate digestion, signaling when to increase or slow down activity based on the body's needs. Blood vessels deliver oxygen and carry nutrients away, supporting the constant activity required for efficient digestion and absorption. A complex nerve network controls intestinal movement, often called the second brain, allowing digestion to function even without conscious control. The intestines maintain balanced pH levels, creating the right environment for enzymes and beneficial bacteria to function effectively. Digestive enzymes break nutrients into smaller molecules, allowing sugars, amino acids, and fats to be absorbed into the bloodstream. A protective mucus layer shields the intestinal walls, preventing damage while allowing nutrients to pass safely into the body. The intestines work closely with the liver and pancreas, receiving bile and enzymes that help digest fats and nutrients efficiently. Absorbed nutrients are converted into energy, powering movement, brain activity, and cellular repair throughout the entire body. Healthy intestines support immunity, mental clarity, and overall wellness, influencing systems far beyond digestion alone. Inflammation can damage the intestinal lining, reducing nutrient absorption and causing discomfort, pain, and long-term digestive issues. When the structure is damaged, the intestines lose efficiency, leading to poor digestion and reduced ability to absorb nutrients properly. Irregular movement disrupts digestion, causing symptoms like constipation, diarrhea, and uncomfortable bloating. Unhealthy diet, stress, and lifestyle choices can negatively affect the intestines, leading to imbalance and reduced digestive efficiency. A healthy intestine functions smoothly, absorbing nutrients efficiently and maintaining balance throughout the body. The intestines work continuously throughout life, adapting to different diets, environments, and the body's changing needs. After eating, the intestines become more active, breaking down food and absorbing nutrients in a coordinated and efficient process. Even during rest or sleep, the intestines continue working quietly, maintaining digestion and internal balance without interruption. The intestines digest food, absorb nutrients, regulate immunity, and maintain balance, making them essential for overall health. Stress and imbalance can disrupt intestinal function, leading to inflammation and reduced efficiency in digestion and absorption. A healthy intestine works smoothly, while an unhealthy one struggles, highlighting the importance of maintaining proper digestive health. At the cellular level, nutrients pass into the bloodstream, fueling every system and function in the body. Food travels through the intestines, where nutrients are absorbed and waste is prepared for elimination. Your intestines work every moment to keep you healthy and energized. What choices will you make today to support them?